Hello and welcome to an update on my Jeep. I've had it now just shy of a week. I haven't done a whole lot to it. I'll show you what I've done, which I'm going to have to redo. But I did want to give a quick update. First and foremost, I have new headlight surrounds and a new side blinker there to replace the broken ones that are here. Also, I've taken out the, open this up here. Taking out the dash because I actually have a new one. The old one was broken and shattered. I haven't put the new one in yet because this headlight switch, this is how you turn the headlights on and off right now. This, I'm guessing, is broken, so I'm going to take this out. I have the new factory or replacement switch part, so I need to take this apart and figure out what's going wrong with that. The fog lights do not work, so I need to figure out about that, but I don't have any parts or anything for that. What I did do this week is I replaced the headliner, but I used the wrong glue, and so it immediately fell down. So I love this material. I think it works really well in the Jeep. I think it looks amazing, but it's very thick material, pretty heavy, and so I got a much more stronger adhesive. So once that comes in, I'll take it all out again and redo it. I'm really sad that I used the wrong glue. That's on me. That was a lot of time and effort for not a lot of reward, but I love this material. I think it looks amazing. What else? I pulled the radio out. I may or may not put that radio back in. Whoever wired it in though was a complete dingus and hardwired it in to the Jeep, which is totally unnecessary. You should use a dang wire adapter. So I'm going to go through, figure out what these wires are, because I think the only speakers that are working are the two in the back door. I don't think these door speakers are working. And I don't know if that's because they're bad or if it just isn't wired correctly, but we will see. I've been shopping for some parts. I have a bunch of parts on the way. So I have a new door handle for this. I have a new door handle for that back door coming. What else do I got? I got the switch, I got the dash, headlights. Oh, I got a new Wagoneer badge for here coming. Or no, I already have that one. I have a new 4x4 badge for here coming. Oh, when I was in here before, I noticed, yeah, you see the dash is in pieces here. So when I was in here before, let's get stuff off the seat. This seat belt's missing there, so I got a new seatbelt piece here. What else? The rest of the seatbelt seemed fine. I'm trying to find a new cover for that, but for the life of me, I cannot find one for sale. I went to the junkyards near me, and the one that had a Cherokee, the back parcel was just, it was smashed up pretty bad. Then I wasn't going to get that because, you know, it's one thing to get one that may not match or whatever. It's another thing to pay the money to get one that's already just broken up and smashed up and stuff. So if anybody knows of one that would match this interior that's either local to me or can ship it to me, I'd appreciate that. And I think that's it so far. Like I said, I've had it less than a week. I've had a lot of other things going on. I guess I need a hubcap for that wheel. Should I keep these wheels? Should I pull them off and clean them up, respray them? I won't do green or anything. I just, like, you know, hit them with a new silver or something, clean up real good. Or should I go with an aftermarket wheel? I will be going with a 31-inch tire after I put the lift on here. So do you know if these wheels work well with a 31-inch tire and a 3.5-inch lift? If you know, let me know. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with all this trim. I haven't been able to find replacement trim, so I don't know if I just want to take it all off or what. Haven't decided. I definitely am going to get a new rear bumper. And trying to think if there's anything else. Oh, I need to redo the tint. I'll probably just scrape that out with a razor blade or something for now. So yeah, that's what we got going on for now. If you have any thoughts or comments or suggestions, let me know in that comment section down below. This is on my AIC Cars channel, so you'll be getting updates on this channel, not on my main channel for my Jeep. So subscribe if you aren't subscribed to this channel, if you want to follow it at all. But I'm super excited. One thing, it's 112 again today. It is not cooling down, and it won't for at least another 10 days according to weather.com. So it's just really hard to be out here doing stuff because I have a lot of other things going on. So it's usually just a few minutes in the evening I can work on anything at all. And then right now I'm having to wait for a lot of parts to show up. I've not purchased my lift, but there is one that I'm looking at. So but if you have a suggestion on a 3.5-inch lift that has a really nice ride quality, that's a very complete kit. Like I just want it out of the box and put it on there. I don't want to have to put it on and realize I'm missing, a bunch of pieces or whatever. So if it's ready to go out of the box, that's what I'm looking for. 3.5, maybe 4 inches at most, but that 3 to 3.5 is really what I'm looking for. That's what I had on my last Jeep with the 31-inch tires. I like the way it looked. I like the way it rode. I just wish Metal Cloak still sold that kit, and they don't. They sell all the pieces for it, but not all the pieces. So I'd have to source the. So anyways, again, thoughts, comments, leave those down in the comment section down below. If you want to support this channel is not monetized, so I'm making no money off these videos. But I do have some affiliate links and some other things down in the video description. That helps me out. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.